YouTube,
What up?
next day, as I said, we're gonna remove the car. The sun is back out, so that means we have good quality.
And on today's episode, we are gonna clean this car. Disclaimer, we've done a lot of shots off camera. Those shots were just sent to people who needed to know about politics. So, what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna try to finish the strip down of the car and bend it out because of the dents inside. And Bucci is gonna try to clean the inside of the garage because of the work that he's been doing on this car. It's been dirty, so it dirtied up the garage. So we're gonna do that. It's basically a comeback episode of the other episode, yeah. But this time it's bigger and better.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Who's cleaning the garage? Who's gonna clean the car?
Yeah.
I wanna clean the
Whoever
garage.
wins cleans the garage. Because nobody wants to be handling this. Alright, best out of 3. Best out of 3, bro. Alright, so guys, I'm busy with the inside. I'm just like brushing out seats and stuff. So what I have discovered is basically the condition of the paint interior wise, and I clearly have to chip out some paint because it's not gonna go. It's definitely not gonna go. So alright, let me fix this thing up.
Are you crying?
It worked.
Fast.